Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Assalamu alaikum to all my Muslim family out there. Namaste, Namaskar from India. My name is Dr. Kana, aka Dr. Food. I am in the middle of nowhere, somewhere in the streets of India, just trying to survive. So what am I doing here? The vision and the passion is just to eat every street food here in India. So help me God. Please, I want you to be part of this journey of mine by subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you will be the first to be seeing every video that I will be uploading. Thank you so much. God bless you. Also follow my Facebook page at Food Doctor. So what am I eating today? This is called pavwaj. So please stay tuned. Make sure you watch to the end. God bless you. Shukriya to you. First, I have to squeeze my lemon on the pawari. This is onion. This is onion here. This is the burger bread. This is the burger bread. Let me try with the onion. This pawari is very nice. What do I have to say about this pawari? It's just like the texture and everything, just like you eating bread and beans together. That is just the vibe. It's just like eating bread and beans together. There is no other way to describe this. Just like bread and beans. It's very nice. Very nice. I'm enjoying it. This is green beans. This is green beans. This is pani. This one here is pani. This is made out of milk, out of cow milk. This food is for vegetarian. This is a vegetarian meal, 100% vegetarian. It's very nice, very tasty. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. God bless you.